Cassava starch feeds the microbes that build glutamate at industrial scale. Cassava grows fast in hot climates: Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, Nigeria.
Usable value is hidden underground dense starch locked inside. Within hours, cassava moves to processing before it degrades.
First, everything that is not starch gets stripped away: mudstones, plant waste. Connection from previous transport ends at a wet cleaning station.
Grinding breaks the structure so starch can be released. Screens and separators pull fibers away, leaving a starch-rich suspension. Heat and enzymes liquefy starch, preparing it to become glucose.
Saccharification finishes the job, turning starch into glucose syrup for fermentation. Connection from previous enzyme action now results in a transport-ready syrup.
Inside the plant, everything becomes closed-loop pipelines instead of open air. Connection from previous tanker fill now becomes tanker unload.
Before anything enters production, it is tested for consistency and contamination. This factory is a city of stainless steel moving sugars, air, and heat. Connection from previous sampling confirms what flows through these lines. Purified water is the silent ingredient used everywhere, from fermentation to crystal washing. Glucose is not enough, and nutrients are measured and fed to keep microbes productive. Before microbes enter the system is sterilized. Heat is the gatekeeper. A starter culture is grown first healthy cells before the giant tanks. Sterilized lines now protect early growth. Then the seed becomes a production-run microbes entering tanks the size of buildings. Connection from previous small tanks now scale up. Oxygen is fed like an ingredient too little and production drops. Connection from previous inoculation now requires controlled oxygen. Connection to next oxygen distribution depends on the agitator heartbeat.
Side impellers keep nutrients and oxygen evenly distributed. Fermentation generates heat, temperature control, protects yield and flavor purity. Even foam is engineered kept stable so tanks can breathe without spilling. Operators track the broth, constantly watching how glutamate is accumulating.
When fermentation peaks, the broth leaves the tank toward purification. Connection from previous sampling confirms readiness. Membranes and filters remove cells and fine solids without exposing the liquid. Connection from previous transfer line now reaches separation hardware.
Purification is a chain. Each step makes the next step possible.
Activated carbon captures color and trace organics, cleaning the taste pathway. Ion exchange removes unwanted ions, so only the right chemistry remains. Connection from previous carbon treatment now enters precision chemistry cleanup.
Columns are regenerated and rinsed. Purity is not a moment, it is maintenance. Add the sodium component, and you are forming monosodium glutamate in solution.
Crystals do not happen. They are seeded and grown under control.
Temperature and time decide crystal size too fast, and the product turns dusty.
Now MSG is no longer just dissolved. It is physically separated as solid.
Operators confirm the crystal structure before it heads to separation. Connection from previous slurry now gets verified by human.
Spinning throws liquid away, leaving wet MSG crystals behind.
A final wash removes leftover mother liquor, cleaner taste, cleaner appearance.
Drying uses controlled hot air,
so crystals dry evenly without melting. Air handling captures fines and returns product, minimizing loss at scale. Before packaging, crystals are cooled so they do not sweat and clump. Connection from previous dry product now stabilizes for handling.
Sieving standardizes grain size, important for flow dosing and appearance.
Every stream passes safety checks, and foreign material control is non-negotiable.
Blending ensures uniform product across batches before final release.
Quality control checks appearance, purity, and performance, not just whiteness. Connection from previous blended product now enters lab validation. Connection to next dissolution test shows how it behaves in water. Solution behavior is tested. MSG must dissolve cleanly and predictably. Connection from previous visual inspection now proves functional performance. At packaging, flow control matters accuracy, dust control, and speed.
Seals keep moisture out, protecting free-flowing crystals.
Different formats serve different markets, from food factories to restaurant kitchens. Now it is logistic-stable loads built for long-distance shipping. Connection from previous cartons now become a single secured unit.
From cassava fields to controlled fermentation, this is how umami is shipped worldwide.
Simple crystal, built by farms, microbes, and stainless steel engineered for taste.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.